Introducing SD Home's Perfect Wall Patch. Comes with the wall plate, the tension bar, and the tension plate with sharp points to dig into the wall. Easy assembly. First, identify the front of your wall plate. Turn the tension bar into the front of the wall plate. Then snap the tension plate into the tension bar with the sharp points facing out. Now you're ready for the wall. Clean the edges of the drywall in front and in back of the hole. Measure the size of the hole in the wall. Trim the wall plate if needed. To trim the wall plate, determine the size the wall plate needs to be. Then bend the wall plate at the crease, back and forth 2 or 3 times. Now you can trim with ordinary scissors. Now that the plate is smaller, it should fit into a smaller hole. You can trim from 5 inches down to 2 inches square. Fold the wall plate to fit into the wall. Pop out the hand grip to hold on to assembled wall plate. You can use a drill to speed up the tightening process. Do not over tighten. You want the wall plate secure so that it does not move, but not so tight that it bends. Snap the handle grip back into place. Use cutters to cut the excess tension bolt. You are now ready to patch. To finish your wall patch, watch our Perfect Wall Patch Compound video next. Combine both our SD Home's wall plate and patch compound for the perfect wall patch.